Hello and welcome to Sheba online classes. Standard 7. Today I will be taking grammar. That is, see the board, kinds of adjectives. Okay, I have taken this grammar from the separate book given to you, that is Jeevandip. I have given this on the board, Jeevandip English grammar. Jeevandip English grammar. From here I have taken the grammar part. Okay, that is kinds of adjectives. So page numbers I have given, see 29 to 30. Keep this as I am taking the lesson. Keep this book in your hand, and then only then you can understand. Alright, all the explanations are given to you, even then I have to explain it to you. Right, now see, now adjectives. Actually, what are adjectives now? You learned kinds of that is parts of speech. What you learned? That is nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. Isn't it all that you've learned? Previous classes you've learned. Now in that, what is an adjective? Adjective means it is a describing a noun or a pronoun. It describes a noun or a pronoun. So what is a noun? That is the name of a person, place. Okay. So name of a person. And what is pronoun? Describing what is given here describes a noun and a pronoun. Noun means name of a person, all that, place. And pronoun means instead of a noun we take for example, Kala went to the market. She, and then we don't again say Kala went to, Kala came back home. No. What we'll say, instead of taking telling Kala, we say she. So for a boy we say he. A lot of people we say they. Okay, these are the words known as pronouns. Okay, he, she, they, them, theirs, we, as all these are known as pronouns. Okay, so this adjective describes a noun and a pronoun. Alright, now see, how many types of adjectives are there? 6 kinds. How many kinds are there? 6 kinds. First one is adjective of quantity, then adjective of quantity, then adjective of number, and got 3 more. After this I explain this to you, I read on the board. Okay, now see, first I will tell you, first I will explain to you what is adjective of quality. And now what is a person's quality? What is the name of, what do you understand by quality? That is a person's quality, describing, totally this is open description about a person. For example, that girl is a very beautiful girl, beautiful, wonderful, all these kind of adjectives are describing. Okay, that program was such a wonderful program, the speech was so mesmerizing. So these are the words you are going to use. Okay, wonderful, beautiful, lovely. So here example, see here, the rose is a lovely flower. Okay, lovely. How I am describing the flower? How I am describing the flower? I am describing as a lovely. So this is known as adjective of quality. Quality of that flower is what? It is beautiful, it is lovely. Okay, now first one is quality. So what is it? Describing the adjective, describing adjective. And what is it? How I am describing the, what is the noun over here? Noun is the rose. Rose is the noun here. Okay, common noun. Okay, so that noun, how I am describing it is lovely. Got that now? So the quality of the rose is lovely. So I am describing the quality of the rose. Right. Next one, the adjective of quantity. In that itself you can understand, quantity means what? Amount. The water bottle has got full, the water bottle is full of water. So what is it? Full, that is full. Full means the amount of water in the water bottle. Okay, so that is the amount what you are going to speak about. Now not, see, generally adjectives what we say is only describing, isn't it? Even this also is different. You must know this, only then you will understand. Or see, adjectives have got so many, no? You will understand. See, the adjective not only is describing word, it is the amount, then it is the number, then so many others are there. As I am explaining, I will explain to you. Now this I told you what? Quantity. Adjective of quantity means it is the amount. Okay, example, see there. The bucket is half full of water. How is the bucket? It is half full of water. So this is again, see, amount. How much amount of water is there? It is half full of water. The bucket, which is the bucket here, bucket is the noun here, common noun. That common noun, how much water it has got, how much amount of water it has got half full of water. So got this now, adjective of quantity. Next is adjective of number. What's the meaning of number? See there, number of things. How many number of things are there? So for example, say this is also, see, adjective. In this there are 2 varieties. There are 2 varieties of adjective of number. What is it? One is adjective of definite number, adjective of indefinite number. What is the adjective of definite number means? It tells you so much amount, so much is there, like that. Okay, we can identify this much is there, this much number will be, that is definitely told you. Okay, otherwise indefinite means different. See there, see the adjective of definite number is the manager declared 2 days holiday. So how many days holidays? How many days holidays given? 2 days. It is specified. It is given, a particular number is given to you. So that is known as definite article, definite number. That is, for example, adjective of number has got 2. And what is the adjective of number? It tells us the number of things. Okay, number of things, number of days, number of amount of whatever. So whatever that number is, it will be given. In that there are 2 types. What is it? There is adjective of definite number, adjective of indefinite number. Alright. Now what is adjective of definite number? Example I have given to you. So the manager declares 2 days holidays. So the 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month, that is given to you. The number is given to you. When the number is given to you, the number of hours or days, whatever is given to you, that is known as definite number. Got it? Now what is indefinite? Indefinite means there is no particular number given to you. Okay, say for 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, that is not given to you. You just said some, any, that kind of word, some, few, little. That means, is there any particular number given to you? No, just some. What is some? Some, how many some? In that sum, how many are going to be there? That is not given. So that is known as indefinite number. See the example, some children are naughty. In a class of say 50 children, some children are naughty, if I say means, how many children are naughty? Am I giving you a number? Am I giving you a definite number? No. I am not giving, just some children are naughty. It can be 10, it can be 20, it can be 5, like that, whatever. Is not, definite number is not given. So that kind of a adjective is known as indefinite number. Adjective of number in the definite, indefinite. Indefinite adjective of indefinite number is that definite number is not given, some or some, like that. Okay. So see the first one. I told you there are so many examples given to you. Just read this, the first part, second part I have given, number also I have taken. See definite number, another one telling you what is it. Examples of definite number are cardinal numbers, ordinal number. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 is cardinal number. Ordinal means what? First, second, third, fourth, like that. So the particular number is given to you, that is known as definite. When the number is not given to you, it is known as indefinite. See that indefinite means what? Some, all, few, little, all these are known as, these are the words used for adjective of indefinite number. And next we are going to demonstrative adjective. That is demonstrative adjective. What does demonstrative adjective do? It points out a particular noun. What does it do? It points out a particular noun. That is meaning demonstrative. What are the words used? Example words. This, that, these, those. These are the words. See, these are, you are pinpointing something. This is my bag. That is my friends. Okay, those classrooms are empty. So these means what is nearby. These, those, all these words are demonstrative adjectives. Okay, for example I have given to you. See that this mango is very sweet. So what is the demonstrative adjective here? This is adjective. That is very sweet. You are describing the mango. You are describing the mango, and one more thing what we are doing is we are pinpointing it. That is pointing out that this mango is sweet. Out of 10 mangoes, this particular mango is very sweet. So that is how we are doing. We are pointing out a particular noun. Out of so many, we are pointing out this only. Okay, got that? This mango is very sweet. That, this, that, those, these are all you are pointing out something to. Okay. Those children are very obedient children, that. Okay. So those children who give homework on time are the most obedient children. So got that now? How I am pinpointing children who are giving homework on time. Okay, that is the particular time, the 5 to 6 o'clock you give homework. No. So those children are the best children. Got that now? See how I am pointing out who you are. Okay, you are the best children. Those who give you homework on time and don't be absent. Don't give us lame excuses. So those children are the best children. So that is how I am demonstrative adjective I am using. Alright. So see this mango is very sweet. Okay, got that now all of you? So this, that, those, these. Now next we come to possessive adjective. That means what? What is possess? That word itself, possession means it's mine, this book is mine. That is possessing, that is yours, you are saying. Okay. So, that is known as possessive. That means it is showing possession, that is yours. You don't want to share anything to anybody. So, that is mine, I am not going to give it to you. That is called possession. So, example you see, this is my umbrella. Got that now? This is my umbrella. So, this mine is telling you about that umbrella. It is yours. That is my umbrella. So, that bag is hers. That is you telling about that person. That okay. So, these are the words. See what are the words you are going to use? Me, mine, yours, theirs. What's that now? Or these are the words you are going to use for what? Adjective, possessive adjective. Got that now? Now, next one. Now, coming to last part, interrogative adjective. That word is you can understand. Interrogative. What's meaning of interrogative? Interrogative means you are asking questions. Interrogative adjective means interrogation means what? You are asking questions. Okay, question words. Now, what kind of a question words you are going to use? Whose, what, which. These are the words you are going to use. Okay. So, the example, whose bags are those? Whose bags are these? Okay. So, whose bag? Which school are you studying? And then what can we write there? What is your name? Even that is also a interrogative adjective. Got that now? Asking questions. So, these are the different types of adjectives. So, we again one small recap we can go. What is the first one? How many types of adjectives are there? What is an adjective first of all? It is a describing word. That is a describing what? Describing the noun and the pronoun, alright. And so, where I have taken this lesson is taken from Jeevandip grammar book, page number 29 to 30 is the explanation, and later I will tell the page number where you have read the exercise. And how many types of adjectives are there? There are 6 types of adjectives. What are the adjectives? The adjective, that is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and then adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective. Got it now? So, how many we learnt about? 6 adjective we have learnt, alright. And see the just adjective, and there are so many, so many different kinds of adjectives. So, if you know all this only, to write one sentence, to write a letter, to write a any essay or short, any competition you join, essay, all this is very, very important. How you are using these words when you are speaking also. When you are speaking, the spoken English needs all this. You must know all the grammar, but then only your spoken will be very good. Okay, everybody will appreciate the way you speak. Alright. So, these are the kinds of adjectives. All of you know that. And now, listen. The page number, this is only here, page number 32 and 33. Page number 32 and 33, there are exercise given to you. Just 1 to 20 only you must do. So, okay. Now, what is given there? What type of adjective? Sentence will be given to you. You have to pick out what type of adjective. 6 adjectives you will learn. In that, the sentence, read the sentence. This see explanation you got just now. Write it down in some classwork, English classwork you got with you now. Write it down. Write it down. Once you writing is a very good practice. In that, when you write only, you will remember all the facts and whatever the method of doing the grammar is. Okay, writing is very, very important, necessary. Okay, now after you finish writing it, and then learn it up properly and do the exercise. Now 6 types of adjectives you learn. Now the sentence is given to you. Exercise. First sentence you see. Read the sentence properly, and then find out what type of adjective this is. Which out of the 6, which type that is. Alright. So these are the different types of adjective. You have to learn it. Okay. See you then next class. Thank you.